A tornado watch has been issued for Allegheny County, Ashe County, Caswell County, Rockingham County, Stokes County, Surrey County, Watauga County, Wilkes County, Yadkin County, Allegheny County, Amherst County, Appomattox County, Bath County, Bedford County, Bland County, Botetourt County, Buckingham County, Campbell County, Carroll County, Charles City County, Craig County, Floyd County, Franklin County, Giles County, Grayson County, Halifax County, Henry County, Montgomery County, Patrick County, Pittsylvania County, Pulaski County, Roanoke County, Rockbridge County, Smith County, Tazewell County, Wythe County, the city of Buena Vista, the city of Covington, the city of Danville, the city of Galax, the city of Lexington, the city of Lynchburg, the city of Martinsville, the city of Radford, the city of Roanoke, the city of Salem, Greenbrier County, Mercer County, Monroe County, and Summers County, effective until 9:11 p.m.